Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the search highlight color for emails in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Wait for your emails to load completely so you can access all the features and settings you'll need. Once your inbox is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab in the upper left corner and click on it. This tab is your gateway to various Outlook settings and configurations that control how your application behaves and appears. After clicking File, a menu will appear with several options. Navigate to the bottom part of this File menu where you'll find Options. Click on it to open the Outlook Options window. This is the central hub where you can customize almost every aspect of Outlook's functionality and appearance, from email settings to display preferences. Now, in the Outlook Options window that just opened, look at the left side menu. You'll see a list of different Outlook settings categories. Click on the Search tab to access search-related settings. This section controls how Outlook handles search functions, including how it highlights your search results in emails. Under the Search tab, you'll find a section labeled Results. Within this section, look for the Highlight Color drop-down menu. Click on it, and a color picker will appear, showing you various color options. By default, Outlook uses yellow as the highlight color, but you can now select any color you prefer from the available options. If none of the preset colors appeal to you, click on the More Colors option at the bottom of the color picker. This opens an expanded palette where you can customize the exact shade you want to use for highlighting your search results. Once you've selected your preferred highlight color, click OK to save your changes. Your new highlight color will now be applied whenever you search for emails in Outlook, making it easier to spot relevant information based on your personal preference. And that's it. You've successfully changed the search highlight color in Microsoft Outlook, customizing your email experience to better suit your visual preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.